Okay, welcome back guys. In this video I am going to show you the installation process of Geoserver for Windows. So I am in the official documentation of this Geoserver page. So for that you have to install Java 8 JRE 8 from Oracle. So for that you can go to the Java 8 and just click on the link to download the JRE file, and after downloading this file you can just install it by just clicking it like this and just install. Okay, now it's successfully installed, so we can now download the Geoserver. So for that I'll use the old Geoserver version, which is 2.15.1. It has Windows installer, so I'll download this. After that you can just click it to install. Okay, we can just simply click it. Yeah, next I agree, and inside the program file. Okay, and yeah, it's okay, and the JRE path is like we just install the uh, Java, so I think it's inside Java and JRE. Yeah, this is our Java file, which is inside the JRE 1.80 and slash bin slash java.exe. So we have to add this path. So it's basically the just install this Java JRE path. So just click next, and the default, I'll set the default data directory, and username is admin and Geoserver. Okay, port 8080. I'll install it as a service, so that I don't need to start it manually while I am working. This install as a service means when I start the computer, when I turn on the PC, it will uh, automatically start it, so we can work on the Geoserver. Yeah, and just install it. Okay, now finished. Okay, let's check the installation of Geoserver by localhost 8080/Geoserver. This should redirect to the Geoserver admin panel. Okay, that's great. And here we can log in using the username and password admin, admin, and for me it's Geoserver. I did not change the uh, default password for but it highly recommend to change the password in production mode, because if you did not forgot to change the Geoserver password, then it may be hacked, and the hacker will have access to your data. But if you are working on the local host, just it's fine because it's only inside your computer. Okay, after that I'll go one by one in these tabs in end the video. I want to quickly show you guys something. For that, you can inside C directory, inside program file, I think a Geoserver, and if you uh, install it the Geoserver manually, so every time you have to go to this file location and just click on startup.bat, and it will start the server, and then only you can access to this link. Otherwise you cannot access to this link without clicking it if you install manually. So I install it as a service, so I don't need to start it manually. So hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in the next.